COVID-19 has been overtaking the headlines for the past 1 year. Unfortunately, strokes and heart attacks do not take a vacation just because there's a pandemic.
As an essential service provider at Cvskl, our doors have remained open and we continue to treat patients, especially those with increasing complexities, and we want to share our experiences with you.
A conversation from the heart will see us, cardiologists from Cvskl, discussing and highlighting a few cases that we have encountered in our daily practice.
This live talk show format focuses on discussing old ideas and discussing new ideas and really having a live conversation regarding future management.
From heart failure
To atrial fibrillation,
Dyslipidemia, diabetes and blood pressure management.
from complicated to simple,
it's going to be an engaging and interactive afternoon with us.
I'm Dr. Lawrence Chan, consultant cardiologist.
I'm Dr. David Chu, consultant cardiologist.
I'm Dr. Razali Omar, consultant cardiologist and electrophysiologist.
I am Dr. Selvan, consultant cardiologist.
Join us, Cvskl cardiologists, virtually on the 10th of April for a conversation from the heart. See you then.